Are you looking for a Vidnami alternative to create your exciting videos for your social pages? Stay tuned to this video. Please watch to the end to get extreme value.
Hello podr family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Here we do reviews of products and services. Just about anything meaningful, we review them here. Remember to subscribe to the channel, keep the bell notification on, like the videos, comment what you might want me to share about next, or just how you feel about a particular video. And of course, I would want you to share the videos far and wide to your neighbors, your friends, co-workers, families, groups. Yes, please do. I thank you so much for doing just that. And now let's go straight into our next meaningful review.
This is a perfect alternative to Vidnami. For those of us who have been online, and if you're in the internet space where you're working with videos, text to speech and all of these, then you know how vital Vidnami was, and it's now off the scene. And I know most people are hunting, looking for a perfect alternative or something pretty close or just as good. Here I have for you InVideo, which will do a great job as you would have had with Vidnami. And before I go further, I suggest that you purchase through my link in the description. I am doing this video so you can get the perfect InVideo. So purchase through my link in the description. Alright, so on InVideo, you can see that they have pre-made templates, all of 4,000 and more pre-made templates for you. You can choose to go text to video. You can choose a blank canvas if you so desire to create your own style. But guys, they have a whole lot of templates for you to choose from. Plenty of niches, right? Now you can type and search what you want. Let's say you want to go into health and wellness. Then you can do that and you can just select. I'll come back to that, just a little show there. You can select your wide, which is 16 by 9, the regular YouTube form, and square for Instagram and Facebook, and you have your vertical, which will also work for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So let's scroll down a little and see what we have here. You can see the various templates that they have, and here you have an arrow that you can click to go to the side to see more. If you hover over, then they kind of zoom up a little on you so you can see a little better. And if you click here and view all, then they'll show you all that they have for this section, and you can continue down. You have recently added, so they keep updating the site, right? Here you have some lovely themes, beautiful templates that you can just click, edit, and move on. You have more than 4,000, and once you tap onto one, then it opens up, and there you go. You have the option of adding your own voiceover. You can use a built-in voiceover, and you can swap out the images if you don't want them, add videos inside of the videos. You have a whole lot, and remember, as I said, you can click on view all to see all that's in this quote video niche right here. You can use this arrow to scroll across to see all of them in that section. Video testimonials. You have quite a bit of things too, and you can hear the thunder, right? Seems it's going to rain. Alrighty, and then you have branding templates. You can add your own logo to the different templates that you would have chosen. And let's go down to the bottom, and here it says for business plan you can get it from $15 per month, and you can try it for free, or if you want to go unlimited, you can get that for $30 per month, and both of them will give you a trial version. Alright, remember to use the link in the description. That's the first link, or maybe they're about the second link, but you should see the link to InVideo in my description. So let's say you come up here and you want to look for something in health and wellness, and you can see we have, let me click off of that. You can see we have this version ticked, which means that whatever we find, we'll get those kind of templates, right? So we're going to try and find something in health and wellness. and you can see it is still highlighting this version 16:9. But let's say we don't want to use that one, even though we've searched in that. Look at this now, guys. You can just click on this and the templates will change automatically to suit what you want. You'll get in that version. Let's say you don't want it in that, you want 9:16. You can click as well and you'll get templates in that. Once you have opened, you will also find that they come with background music. You can change out if you want. You can leave it as is. And let's say you want to use this one. Let's go back up a little. I'm going to pause the music. I don't want to be playing it. Let me pause. Right? So all you need to do is click on use this template. Even to this end, you can still change. Let's say you decide that a shorts is not what you want. You're not making anything for TikTok or Instagram posts, and you just want to go square. You can click on square. If you want to go wide, you click on wide, and it will change as well. And once you've clicked on use this template, you will see that it will take you now to the section where you can do advanced editing and put in what you want, your music. Guys, this is a very, 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 very good, excellent, I would say, alternative to Vidnami. So if you're looking for that, please use the link in the description below. This is loading up. Use the link in my description below to go ahead and get access to InVideo. The good thing about it is that you still can use the free plan. It has a tiny, tiny, tiny watermark on it. But if you're someone who wants to just have your own thing, then you can upgrade to one of the monthly subscription. But go ahead, sign up, use it for free, test it out. And here you're on this place where you can edit the video even to your own liking. Here you have text subsections where you can type in what you want. So you can add another scene. So if I click on this, I'll have another scene like this added. I can click here to take away the scene or just about anything you want. I can click here for voiceover, timeline, and you can go ahead and play to hear what it sounds like. All of these up here. You can choose template, upload images and videos. You have a whole host of things that you can do. And then you can go ahead and resize. Let's say you want to change. You can change your canvas color, change the background if you don't want it to be black. You have quite a bit of things that you can do with InVideo. So again, guys, as I am suggesting that you go ahead and check it out. See what it's like. Let me cancel this. Sorry about that. See what InVideo is like. And I don't want to make any changes. So I'm going to go back to, because I'm not really creating anything. I'm just showing you what InVideo is like. So here you have it. You can go ahead, check it out for yourself, and let's see what you think of it. Okay, so that was it, and I want to remind you to like, share the videos, keep the bell notification turned on, and subscribe to help us grow the channel. I really appreciate your time. I thank you so much for spending the time here on this channel. I really appreciate you. I am grateful, and I wish for you great success in all that you do, and I'll see you in our next meaningful review. Alrighty, take care now. I do wish for you great success with your purchase. Alrighty, take care.